Hey everybody, welcome back from Backyard Garage. So today I just want to give you guys all a quick update with Camaro, where we're at. So I have actually sold the Camaro. Unfortunately, it will be missed. I have decided to sell it because I don't use it. It sits around. I had my fun with building it and just going through everything. So I'm going to do another quick walk around. I'll fire it up so you can hear it. And then, yeah, let's get to it. One more quick walk around of the Camaro. Did you guys know that there was about over 700 hours into this build here? Tons of new parts. It's all because of you guys and building it. And you know what? I want to thank you all for, hanging in there and watching me, supporting me, commenting on my videos and everything. I really do appreciate it. I'm not sad that I'm losing it. I'm actually pretty excited. But here it is. And then the interior, you guys have actually been there through everything, from the interior to the engine installing, the transmission issues, the ball joints, everything. You guys have been there, and I just really greatly appreciate every single one of you. However, this is not the end of it. Backyard Garage, it's just the end of this chapter. So yeah, there she is, and that's the last walk around. Decided we'll give her one more start here. Let me get the key out. There we go. We'll go ahead and get her fired up. There we go. Listen to her run. Still sounds mean. I love that. I do a last video of me driving her. Get some wraps on there. Show the gauges. On her too much, but give her some juice. As I said, everybody, this is not a goodbye. This is a let's move on to the next chapter. I will be having some more builds on the channel, and I'll just be having more videos. Like I said, I'm not selling it. I'm not upset that I'm selling it. I had my fun building it. That's really what I love doing and enjoy doing. And there's going to be many more projects. I put my heart and soul and research into it, hyper focus on it, and then do it and get it completed and get it done right. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you guys want to check out the full video, click on my profile and you can just see the full Camaro playlist. I think there's like 78 videos in there. They're pretty in depth, but thank you all. It's all because of you. I love you guys. I'll see ya.